you, Mr. Vishwanath. It's pleasure for Government Institute of Printing Technology, as usual, to share responsibility when BMPA organizes program of this nature. On behalf of students, staff, and principal, I take this opportunity to welcome office bearers and committee members of BMPA to this program. Mr. Mr. Mehul Desai, who is the speaker for this program, Mr. Fred Poonawala, Mr. Firoz Reshamwala, Mr. Fahim Akbatwala, Mr. Jagdish Shah, Mr. Dev Nair, Mr. Arvind Danani, and Mr. Prashant Shah. I welcome you all to Government Institute of Printing Technology. Okay. Mr. Iqbal Kirodwala, I also welcome him on behalf of Institute and staff. Dear friends, I also acknowledge your presence to this particular program, which is a token of appreciation of ever-increasing need of training in dynamic situation like today's. Dear friends, as a teacher, I am a strong believer that sales coupled with marketing is the most important and crucial functional area for every organization. In today's economical situation, wherein we are witnessing steady drop in the growth rate of GDP, when demand for all sort of goods are not encouraging, the survival is becoming more critical day by day for the employers. Employer not only worries for wealth creation or profit maximization, this is what I believe. Beyond that, he is also socially responsible to keep the jobs of his employees intact, as it would indirectly affect their families. So employers indirectly are also discharging duties of social responsibility when economic situation like today's prevails for longer time. I think why sales is more important function, because it is important in both situations. When economy is performing well, then also sales is important, because every employer would love to take more share of increasing market and reap more profits out of it. This is the situation when innovations would be converted into opportunities, and then marketing would make them more meaningful. As Mr. Management Guru Peter Drucker had rightly said, that innovation and marketing are important, rest everything would follow automatically. And in both situations of economy, both extremes of economy, this is going to be verified. Today also, to maintain the top line, all employers and organizations would ultimately boil down to the conclusion that sales is the only key by which they keep their market always buoyant. And BMPA has rightly acknowledged the need of hour, as it has been doing for last so many years. I regard BMPA as the most efficient and professional printing association in India, which not only think about print, but it always thinks beyond print and it does not treat print as mere profession, but it has transformed itself into institute as well. I have witnessed number of training programs organized by BMPA since the day I started my career as a lecturer. I remember year 2001 in which I attended my first training program in Lower Parel area as a lecturer. Now it is 2013, still I am attending training programs organized by BMPA. This is the going concern and this is what the longevity of noble cause. So I must appreciate BMPA's work in this regard. To conclude my welcome speech, I remember when I was with Johnson & Johnson for 3 years, my then organization also used to conduct number of training programs for higher authorities in our companies or middle and onwards management levels. And then Johnson & Johnson and its HR department used to take into consideration training programs organized by IIMs. And I remember one such academic calendar was sent to my department. I came across that academic calendar. Right now, it is very difficult for me to recollect all programs and other details, but I recollect the caption on the first page. It was like, training is not given, it is taken. So this is what should be the bottom line for all new learners. I hope this particular program by Speaker Mr. Mehul Desai would not only be meaningful, but it would help employers in a big way. Happy learning to all of you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you for appreciating the efforts of BMPA, and I'm sure we will do more such activities together. Once again, I thank Mr. Denge for the kind words he's spoken about BMPA and our activities. This also is a session that is done in association with the GIPT as an initiative towards our continuous education program, which we have started. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Mehul Desai here today, who's going to talk to us about selling in print companies. He is a printer among us. He's not an outsider to us. He's also a person who's very successful among the printers fraternity today. When the entire market is complaining of downward trends, he will keep showing you a graph which is always on an upsurge. Mehul Desai is a man with a vision and entrepreneurial outlook. He is a motivator and a leader par excellence. He started his career with Procter & Gamble after his graduation in commerce from Bombay University. He tells me it is P&G who's made him tough, and if you look at him a little later, you know how tough he is. He moved out with solid experience in hard selling in the consumer line to Xerox as a territory manager. His performance spoke for itself. From a territory manager, he moved out of Xerox as a senior accounts manager. He took up a different line. First, he had the consumer experience, then he had the institutional sales, and he moved out to a company called Real Value, where it was more of home or personal selling. Real Value, if you remember, there was a known brand called Ceasefire, which was fire extinguishing equipment. Lots of cars had those small little things stuck in their car. Lots of people had it in the kitchen. Somehow, the presence of that particular brand probably is lost today that Mehul has left the company. After that, Mehul decided that he would do something better. he had an offer from a company called Atlas Communicators. He joined them as a national sales manager, selling PABX systems. He is a man of sales, and now he also knows what communication is, which we'll all witness today. Mehul is a voracious reader, an avid cricketer, and he enjoys crime thrillers. Now, if you come back to his career, after the Atlas Communications, he started on his own. I do not know whether to call it at the behest of his family or persuasion or force of the family, particularly his sister and his wife, as he says, started on his own, started a company called Region Direct Marketing, which today is known as MOS, Mail Order Services. He is not just a printer. He's added a lot to printing. As we kept saying, Print Plus. He has tie-ups with Swiss postal authorities and the Royal Mail. He has a system which is beyond printing, which certainly has taken him to a far higher stage than just a printer. Most often we keep talking of printers. Like, you got to really learn from him what we can do in printing with add-on services that he has proved to be a real success. I'm sure at the end of the day, we'll all walk away with tips from him as to how to segment our market, how to segment our products and market them directly. And let's learn from him. And I'm sure we will all have lots of words to say, and our way of conducting business will change at the end of it. Before I call Mehul on the floor, a request is, let's not listen to our mobile phones. Let's listen to Mehul. Mehul.